Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.